Welcome to Habibu Fasaha channel, your ultimate destination for mastering computer skills, web development, and efficient how-to tutorials on various technologies. My name is Habibu Fasaha, and as someone who has dedicated years to mastering computer skills, I know how challenging it can be to find high-quality videos that simplify complex topics. In my early days, I spent countless hours watching low-quality videos that left me confused and frustrated. It was then that I realized the importance of creating helpful and quality videos which can enhance your learning and break down complex technologies into simple ones so that anyone from anywhere can learn and understand them easily. That is why I created Habibu Fasaha channel, where you can find tech made simple. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced tech enthusiast, my channel is designed to help you master computer skills, web development, learn from efficient how-to tutorials, and stay up to date with the latest trends in the world of technology. So if you are looking to enhance your computer skills, master web development, learn from efficient how-to tutorials on various technologies, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now and join the growing community of learners who benefit from my experience and expertise. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.